you saw my first video in the series, this is the box that I was demonstrating. I'm actually going to make this project after. It's the same design concept where essentially the lid is recessed into the sides of the box. Essentially it's I'm purposely designing it to actually hold some tea, and you can see here I can it's not wide enough to actually hold 3 tea bags side by side, so I'm actually going to extend the length of the box. So from in this particular model, the overall length of this one is 8 inches by just under 6 inches. And I'm not going to use any exotic veneers for this one, or at least not purposely. Use something like this, where this is olive ash burl. But actually, this box I'm making is actually a present for a friend of mine, and her heritage is Ukrainian. So I'm actually trying to come up with some veneers that I can dye or use color, come as close as I can with the colors to the colors used in the Ukrainian flag. So the lemon yellow and whatever blue the name for that blue is, I don't know. But from my own inventory, I have some dyed blue veneer. It's or dyed blue poplar. It's just too dark for this particular color match, so I'm not going to be able to use that. So I had to do a little experimenting and come up with in this case it's some dyed sycamore, and use trans tint blue on it. It's pretty good color match. I don't know if it's showing well in the video, but it actually does pretty good. To match that color. Here's the actual trans tint model if you're interested. I was going to try to attempt the same thing with the green and yellow, and then I had some other dye powders that possibly could mix together as well to come as close as I can to the blue. Well, God didn't make blue veneer, but he did make yellow veneer. But unfortunately, he didn't make lemon yellow veneers naturally, so the ones from my inventory that I can think of it can come closest to. Tried a little experiment here with, this is satinwood. It's a little bit of figured satinwood. The one that was my first choice is this nice yellow golden Movingu. And then Guabao. For this, it actually, I know it's really not showing as prominent yellow, close to being lemon yellow as actually it is in the camera, but this actually is going to be my choice. It's only the choice because of the color, not because of the quality of the veneer. This wood sucks. It's like working with titanium. It is such a dense wood. But if you're interested in, well, actually the box itself is pretty standard. I'm going to use some 1/2-inch plywood, and then I salvaged from a packing crate from where I work at some 1/4-inch birch plywood. So the birch plywood will be for the lid for supporting bonding the veneer to, and then the actual main body of the box will be made out of 1/2-inch plywood. If you are interested in learning more about how to work with veneers, please join my TikTok. Become a follower, and if you have any questions about any things you see in this video, I'd be happy to expand on. Just comment down below.